Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to create a community on WhatsApp. So to do that, let's head over to the steps I'm going to show you. So as I don't have a WhatsApp business account, I can show you how to create a community, but I can show you the details or the steps you need to follow to make a WhatsApp community. So the first is open your WhatsApp on your phone and go to the chats tab and new community and then get started. Enter a name for your community and the limit is 100 characters. Add a description to provide members with an idea of what the community is about. And add a community icon by tapping add photo and choosing from your camera gallery. Emoji stickers or searching the web. And select the existing WhatsApp groups so you can include them in your community and tap the green checkmark icon to finalize your community creation. Once the community is created, an announcement group will be automatically created where all community members are part of, but only admins can send messages. So yeah, this is a way with which you can just create a community on WhatsApp. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.